Hello, I am Tasir Prashant and I am a student at Rightsight Education Course A. So today I'm going to be talking about polar bears. So let's begin. Polar bears' habitat is in the Arctic region, which is in like Canada, Alaska, Russia, Greenland, and also Norway. There are 22,000 to 31,000 individual polar bears left in this world. Polar bears' natural skin color is actually black, but those fur is white. Adult bears has no natural predators, though walruses and wolves can kill them. Polar bear faces more threats than climate change. The scientific name of polar bear is Ursus maritimus. Ursus maritimus. So thank you. Our show will be back again soon.